Is it truly possible to find the perfect romantic getaway in the heart of Manila, complete with a beautiful, relaxing pool and a delicious free breakfast, without completely emptying your wallet? It's a classic traveler's dilemma. You could spend a small fortune on one of the luxury hotels in Manila, or take a gamble on a suspiciously cheap option and risk a bad hotel experience. But what if there's a sweet spot? What if you could have the best of both worlds with some smart budget travel? Welcome, fellow travelers. In this Manila vlog, we are on a mission to uncover Manila's best-kept secrets. 5 budget hotels in Manila under $60 with pools and free breakfast that deliver on the promise of quality amenities and are perfect for a couple's staycation. Forget the endless scrolling and confusing reviews. This in-depth hotel tour will provide an honest review of 5 of the city's most popular options, breaking down everything from room quality to the breakfast spread. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to stay in Manila for that perfect and affordable couple's getaway. Hotel number 1. The value pick, Savoy Hotel Manila. First up on our list is the incredible value pick, the Seavoy Hotel Manila, located in the modern and convenient Newport City. With rooms sometimes starting as low as around $52 to $55 a night, it's an incredibly accessible 4-star option. Its biggest claim to fame is its location, directly across from NAIA Terminal 3 and connected via the runway Manila Bridge. But is it more than just a convenient airport hotel? Let's find out. First impressions are strong. As you walk in, the lobby feels modern, stylish, and full of a great buzzing energy that makes you feel like you've arrived somewhere special. The check-in process is famously smooth and painless, with professional and welcoming staff who make you feel right at home. Its standard essential rooms are spotless, contemporary, and while not massive, the design is incredibly efficient. It features fun pops of color in the decor that give it a vibrant, youthful feel. Key amenities that add to its convenience include a well-equipped fitness center, a spa with a sauna and steam room, and of course, that invaluable airport shuttle. And the view? Watching the planes take off and land against the city skyline is surprisingly cool, especially as the sun sets. Now, for the parts that truly matter for a couple's retreat. The hotel's main draws are its fantastic outdoor pool and impressive breakfast. The second-floor pool area is a genuine escape from the city chaos. It's a clean, inviting space with plenty of comfortable lounge chairs and a poolside bar, making it a huge plus for a couple looking to unwind with a cocktail in hand. After a relaxing dip, you can head down to the included buffet breakfast at the Savoy Cafe. It offers a fantastic spread with beloved Filipino favorites, a variety of Western options, and even a dedicated egg station. Seriously impressive quality for a hotel in Manila at this price point, ensuring a delicious and romantic start to your day. Plus, with Newport Mall and Newport World Resorts just a short walk away, you have a world of shopping, dining, and other things to do in Manila right at your doorstep. Hotel number 2. The hidden gem, the Mabuhay Manor. Next, we're heading over to Pasay to visit the Mabuhay Manor, a charming hotel with a distinctly Filipino character. With rates for a premium room, including breakfast for 2, starting around $50, it offers outstanding value. What truly makes this hotel stand out is its deep focus on Filipino hospitality, creating a warm, welcoming, and authentically local atmosphere from the moment you arrive. It's even billed as the first Balikbayan hotel, designed to make Filipinos returning from abroad feel right at home. The rooms are cozy and comfortable, not overly modern, but equipped with all the essentials you need for a pleasant and restful stay, making it a solid family-friendly option as well. The amenities here are what make a staycation feel complete, especially for couples. The hotel features a lovely outdoor swimming pool, which is free for all in-house guests to use and serves as a perfect spot to cool down together after a day of exploring. This is wonderfully complemented by the daily breakfast for 2, which is included in the room rate and gets your day started on the right foot. The location is another huge plus for any Manila itinerary. Being just a stone's throw away from the massive SM Mall of Asia complex, you have a universe of shopping, dining, and entertainment, from high-end stores to seaside restaurants and even an amusement park, right at your fingertips. making it an incredibly convenient base for all your Manila adventures. So far, we've seen a sleek modern airport hotel and a charming stay with true Filipino flair. Both are fantastic options under a similar budget. But we're only getting started. What if you're a couple that craves history and culture? Or maybe a stunning rooftop view is non-negotiable for your romantic escape? Stick around, because our next 3 cheap hotels in Manila offer completely different experiences. From a classic city center choice with a surprise twist to a hotel nestled in the heart of the world's oldest Chinatown. You won't want to miss this hotel review. Hotel number 3. The classic choice, City Garden Suites. Our third stop brings us to City Garden Suites, located in Manila's vibrant and historic Ermita district, with standard rooms often available for around $38 to $52. It's highly rated by couples for its exceptional value and central location. The moment you step inside, you're greeted with a cozy, welcoming feel, and the staff are known for being incredibly approachable and helpful. A thoughtful and eco-friendly touch that we loved is the presence of water refilling stations in the hallways, which is both convenient and a great way to reduce plastic waste. Its superior room feels comfortable and well-maintained with a classic traditional style. A fantastic bonus that sets it apart is the small kitchenette area, which is perfect for couples on longer stays or for those who want the option to prepare a light meal or snacks. Some of the larger suites even offer a bathtub, which is always a welcome romantic extra. Now, it's important to clarify the amenities for couples here. The hotel's breakfast buffet at Cafe Miranda consistently lives up to its great reputation. Guest reviews frequently praise the delicious and fresh spread, offering both continental and local Filipino options that make for a truly satisfying start to the day. However, let's talk about the pool. While the hotel does list a pool, it is a very small indoor plunge pool that isn't really designed for lounging. It's perfectly fine for a quick, refreshing dip, but if your dream is to spend a romantic afternoon sunbathing by a large resort-style pool, this might not be the ideal choice for you. What you trade in pool size, you gain in location. You are literally steps away from Robinson's Place Mall and countless restaurants, and just a short drive from Manila top attractions like Rizal Park and the historic walled city of Intramuros. A perfect starting point for a Manila walking tour. Hotel number 4. The cultural hub, Ramada by Wyndham Manila Central. Our fourth hotel takes us into the heart of a truly unique and exciting location, the world's oldest Chinatown. The Ramada by Wyndham Manila Central in Binondo offers a complete vibe shift from our previous picks, with a superior room starting at approximately $39 to $56. This hotel trades modern simplicity for a location that is absolutely packed with history, culture, and, most importantly, food. The hotel itself has a more classic and grand feeling, with a traditional lobby style and exceptionally warm and attentive service that makes you feel truly cared for. Its deluxe rooms are significantly larger than many competitors in this price range, featuring huge floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light and offer incredible views of the bustling streets and the historic Binondo Church. For couples who see adventure as the ultimate romance, the combination of amenities and location here is unbeatable. The hotel has a good-sized swimming pool that is clean, well-maintained, and serves as the perfect spot to cool down together after a vibrant day exploring the sensory overload of Binondo, where the energy feels like it can't hold you. Following your swim, the included breakfast at their restaurant 5 Spice Asian Bistro is a delightful experience. It features an extensive spread of Western, Filipino, and of course, delicious Chinese dishes, giving you a taste of the neighborhood's culinary fame. Being in Binondo means you can embark on an incredible walking food tour, sampling everything from legendary dumplings to savory noodles. A haven for street food Philippines. It is, without a doubt, a paradise for foodie couples. Beyond food, you're right next to the historic Binondo Church and a short walk from the bustling 168 and 999 shopping malls. Hotel number 5, the Wildcard, Armada Hotel Manila. Finally, our Wildcard pick is the Armada Hotel Manila, strategically located in the lively Malay district. With rooms starting at around $42, it presents another excellent and affordable 4-star option. Set in the heart of Malate, this Manila hotel is the perfect choice for couples who thrive on energy and nightlife. With countless bars, live music venues, and eclectic restaurants just steps from the front door, the hotel delivers a welcoming experience with cozy, individually furnished rooms and modern amenities. Its superior rooms are spacious, clean, and provide a comfortable retreat from the city's vibrant energy. A huge practical plus for those driving is the basement car park, which is free for guests but is subject to availability. The main event for couples, however, is the hotel's rooftop. Here you'll find a fantastic rooftop swimming pool, where all in-house guests have free access. It's a wonderful way to relax, take in the city from above, and escape the street-level hustle and bustle. Now, regarding breakfast, it's important to note that it's not always included in the base price. However, you can add on an affordable buffet for a separate fee, which features a decent spread to start your day. The combination of its prime location for nightlife and the relaxing rooftop pool makes the Armada Hotel a very strong contender for couples looking for an affordable and exciting city staycation. Now, let's talk about how you can score the absolute best deals for your Manila getaway. Finding these great hotels is one thing, but getting them for the lowest possible price is the real win for any budget travel plan. First, be flexible with your dates. Traveling during the off-peak seasons, like June to October, can lead to significant price drops. Similarly, staying on a weekday, especially a Thursday, is often cheaper than on a weekend. Second, book in advance, but not too far in advance. Booking about 3 weeks ahead is often the sweet spot to avoid both inflated future demand prices and the risk of the hotel being sold out. Third, compare prices between booking sites, but also check the hotel's official website. Sometimes hotels offer exclusive direct booking perks or packages, like the one offered by Armada Hotel. Finally, sign up for loyalty programs and newsletters. This can give you access to member-only pricing and exclusive flash sales that aren't available to the general public. So, that's all for today. These hotels prove that you don't need to break the bank for a wonderful romantic staycation in Manila. This Philippines travel guide focused on the capital, but similar gems can be found in other amazing places to visit, like Cebu City or El Nido. We hope this guide helps you plan your next trip. What are your favorite budget-friendly hotels in Manila? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this mission. Until then, happy travels.